Yo, today we're gonna make a track in the style of Josh Baker and Sidney Charles, and I've used the new Amsterdam Grooves pack for that, the serum pack and the samples from the sample pack. Let's go. So I'm gonna start with the bass sound, and that is this one. This is a typical Josh Baker and Sidney Charles bass lines, bass synth, and this Rezo basses always works for these deep and dirty grooves. So this is the patch. With a deep sub in it, and the reason why it sounds so cool is because of this resonance that really gives it the characteristic sound. So yeah, this is how it sounds together with the kick. And I didn't do any post-processing on the kick. It sounds super simple, but it was good instantly. And for the bass, I've added the drum bus to make the sound a little bit more drivey or a little bit more pumping. And I have used the Kickstart 2 for sidechaining. And this is what the MIDI looks like. It's super simple, but these short notes right here are really giving it that typical Sidney Charles, Josh Baker kind of style. So the lengths of the notes are really matters. So this one needs to be very short, and this one is very long, like on the first beat. That's super important, and it's repeating like the whole time. It's exactly the same, and the drums are sounding like this. With this gap right here. It's just a little detail, but it really works. Together with the kick. So just hear how clean this sounds and how good this is sounding. Together with the bass. So I love that. Then for the vocals, I've used this one from the pack.
Face in your face.
All royalty free. And here I have another one. Where is it? Right here.
Keep it flowing.
A little bit of delay on it. And yeah, the first part of the drop, like the A part, is quite simple. I've added a crash. And this atmosphere sounds. I like that. Then in the build part, I have this. This is like, I've repeated the first part of the fill. And with the kick build underneath, it sounds like this. Can also do this. I don't know, I'm just trying something. And the thing is, right now it is not on the same groove because I've used a groove on it, this one. So if I turn this groove on it, right now it shall be good. Yeah, it is good. But it still sounds a little bit weird. Maybe the repitch or the complex. It's not working all the time. Sometimes you have to do this kind of stuff by yourself. So actually what I did here is I have put this one slightly off the grid. And it works to... This one works, by the way. To get in the same groove. But that's just, sometimes you have instant luck with this kind of stuff. Sometimes you have to work a little bit harder. And this pack is actually everything you need if you want to make a track in this style really fast.
Bass in your face. Bass in your face.
And then with the crash here.
Bass in your face.
It drops real hard. Then on the B part of the drop, I have used a little bit more serum presets from the pack. Like this one. It's called Warehouse Groover. I like this housey kind of stuff. And then another sound underneath it from the serum pack. This works pretty well actually if you hear this with all the other elements except the extra synths.
Bass, keep it flowing.
I have used the same groove? I get this question a lot. I see it a lot in the comments. Yeah, I'm using the same groove pool on everything because I want to make sure that everything is on the same groove. Yeah, otherwise it sounds weird or bad. Then I have another sound. Spooky release, also from the pack, of course, with some delay on it, and it sounds like this.
Bass, keep it flowing.
That's basically how you make a track in the style of Sidney Charles and Josh Baker. Again, I built this in 10 minutes, so you can see how easy this is. And yeah, if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel, and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.